Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are utilizing your time at home and spending a good time with your family. So, welcome back to my session. Today we are going to discuss about the check-in procedure for a VIP guest. When we say VIP guest, so what does it mean? Who is a VIP? So the VIP could be a minister, senior government officials, media personnel, film star, sports star, top executives of corporate houses, CEOs, etc. So they are the people, or could be some diplomats, or they are the people who are being considered as a VIP, and they have been given a status of a VIP by the hotel. So they have a different arrangement has been done for their check-in process. So what the hotel do is, if a VIP mention that they need a airport pickup, so the hotel will make sure they will send a luxury vehicle to pick up the VIP guest along with a GRE who will accompany the VIP guest. And when they arrive in the hotel, they will be welcomed with an ATZ. Now what is ATZ? ATZ means Aarti Tika Garlanding. So they will have a special arrangement been done, and they will be welcomed with an ATG, and a welcome drinks will be provided to them either in the lobby or in the room. The registration formalities are mostly done for the VIP guest is either by the assistant who is accompanying the VIP, or in some cases the VIP also sign the GRC card, but they will not wait in the lobby. The rooms will be all ready, and they will proceed to the room, they will be accompanied by the or escorted by the general manager or front office manager of the hotel, and in the room they will have a welcome drink being provided, and along with that the GRE or the front office manager will take the signature of the guest in the room in the GRC card. And after that, once the formalities have been done, so the manager, the general manager and the front office manager will inform the guests that these are the number, or they will exchange the numbers. For anything they require, they can get in touch with them. If in case it's a VVIP guest, then what they will do, the assistant will be the details will be provided to the assistant, so that the assistant can contact the front office manager in case of any requirement of the guest. And after that, once the arrival has been done, all the check-in formalities have been done, the front office department will send a notification slip to all the areas with a special instruction that this particular room is so and so is allotted to so and so person, and who is a VVIP, and HWC means handle with care. So every department should know that this room belongs to Mr. so and so, and he is a VVIP or VIP handle with care guest. So nobody will directly call him in his extension number. Any requirement is there, they will inform the front office department that these are the things. So front office is going to contact the guest, and for anything, if there is a requirement, say they want to clean the room, so the housekeeping will inform the front office department, and accordingly front office will take the permission from the guest that this is the if you want, do you like us to send somebody to clean your room? So that all arrangement, whatever necessary arrangement has to be done, that will be all made by the front office department. So that is all for the VIP guest arrival. So you have to make sure whenever any VIP guest is staying with you all or in the hotel, you have to make sure you all are alert and do not transfer any calls without screening to the guest. There, if somebody is calling up for the guest, you have to note down the message, or if somebody is there to meet the guest, you have to take the permission from the guest, then only the person can meet the guest. So these are the small things which we have to, or maybe the very important things we need to make sure whenever we are handling any VIP guest in the hotel. Hope this is clear to you all. If you have any doubts, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you.